Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're diving into a must-have accessory for any driver, the best car phone holder. If you're tired of clunky holders or setups that just don't stick, this could be exactly what you need. So, stay with us for the full breakdown. Let's get started. Product features. No installation required. Forget about tools, screws, or sticky pads. The JRZ354 is all about simplicity. Just place it on your dashboard or windshield and it's ready to go. No fuss, no hassle. One-handed operation means you can mount or remove your phone effortlessly. Perfect for keeping your attention where it belongs, on the road. Upgraded nano gel base for enhanced stability. The secret behind its strong grip? A newly upgraded nano gel base. This clever technology ensures the holder sticks firmly without leaving any residue. Even better, if it ever loses its grip, just rinse it with water and it's good as new. That's both practical and cost-effective. Spring-loaded for a perfect fit. Thanks to its innovative spring structure, this holder automatically adjusts to the size of your phone. Whether your phone is slim, large, or wrapped in a thick case, no problem. It holds securely without any wiggling or slipping. 360-degree rotation for optimal viewing. Whether you're using GPS in portrait mode or watching a video at a stoplight in landscape mode, the 360-degree rotation allows for perfect positioning. Adjust the angle easily to avoid glare and ensure clear visibility at all times. Magnetic cable management. A small but thoughtful feature, the magnetic cable organizer. It keeps your charging cable in place so it's always within reach and never tangled. It's ideal for drivers who charge their phones on the go. Pros: tool-free, easy setup. Excellent stability with reusable nanogel base. Universal compatibility. Smooth 360-degree rotation. Cable management reduces clutter. Great for big phones and tough cases. Cons: may lose grip over time if not cleaned occasionally. Works best on smooth surfaces. Textured dashboards may affect performance. No wireless charging support. Final thoughts. The Joyroom JRZ354 combines smart design with everyday convenience. Its ease of use, stability, and thoughtful features make it one of the best car phone holders on the market today. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just need a safe spot for your phone while driving, this holder won't disappoint. Check the price in the description below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Product for more honest reviews just like this. Thanks for watching.